West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee now promising free vaccine for all within the state. There's no harm in doing so, but while at a time when the BJP promised the same in Bihar, it was Mamata Banerjee who was one of the first to condemn it, saying, how can a party politicize a life-saving drug? Now, this announcement comes months after TMC mocked the BJP for promising free vaccine in Bihar. BJP has now trained its guns quite naturally against Mamata government, saying that the state government is trying to steal the credit for vaccines sent by the centre. She wants to supply it in her name to take credit ahead of assembly polls. Here's the politicking that went by. Mamata Banerjee has announced free vaccines for Bengal months ahead of the upcoming state polls, asserting that the state will pay for vaccine shots to everyone in the state. But rewind to October 2020, TMC was speaking in a different tone, then targeting the BJP over its free vaccine pledge in poll-bound Bihar.
हम इधर प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं बिहार में हर एक के लिए मुफ्त में वैक्सीन मिल जाएगा, वो हमारी पहला संकल्प पत्र के प्रॉमिस है। भरोसा के साथ बिहार की जनता को हम आश्वासन दिलाना चाहते हैं कि वैक्सीन फ्री में आप सबको मिलेगा।
Mamata's party had then mocked the free vaccine pledge, saying each Indian state will need polls to get free vaccines. The BJP questioned Mamata's promise, accused her of taking credit for the centre's free vaccination plan.
Received the vaccines first, that is the frontline workers who are combating COVID, and thereon this senior citizens, people with comorbidity and all that. Now all of a sudden Mamata Banerjee jumps the gun and claims some political advantage out of it. It's very typical of her.
Meanwhile, several states have urged the centre to provide free vaccines to all Indians.
कल मुख्यमंत्री जी ने डिमांड की है, ट्वीट किया था, उन्होंने कहा था कि पूरे देश में मुफ्त दी जानी चाहिए। और 3 दिन पहले यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर के साथ मेरी बीसी थी, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग थी, तब भी मैंने उनके सामने रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि भाई देश के सभी नागरिकों को मुफ्त दी जानी चाहिए।
The upcoming vaccine has been target of sustained politicking. Congress had questioned the efficacy of Indian-made Covaxin, calling its nod as rushed. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav had dubbed them as BJP vaccines, asserting he will not take it.
देखिए, मैं तो नहीं लगवाऊंगा अभी वैक्सीन, मैंने अपनी बात कह दी, और वो भी बीजेपी लगाएगी उसका भरोसा करूंगा मैं? अरे जाओ भाई, अरे अपनी सरकार आएगी सबको फ्री वैक्सीन लगेगी, हम बीजेपी का वैक्सीन नहीं लगवा सकते।
Will India see an end to politics on a lifesaver? With Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today. Now, India has taken a major step by approving 2 vaccines to fight this pandemic, the biggest in the century here. We are fighting this virus, and here when we see the vaccination in sight, we're looking at political parties jumping at it, saying we are going to provide you free vaccine right ahead of polls. After in Bihar, the BJP did it. Here is the TMC promising the same. And at that time, TMC slammed the BJP for politicizing a life-saving drug. And now the TMC uses the same template. So what is the difference between the political parties? Priyanka Tibrewal, spokesperson of the BJP, joining us. Dr. Shantanu Sen, TMC spokesperson, to give us a perspective. I'll start with Dr. Shantanu. Dr. Shantanu, how is it possible that Mamata Banerjee is going to be giving free vaccines to the entire state? It is a central initiative where they are going to be dispersing the vaccines. How can Mamata Banerjee take credit for it?
See, first of all, the most unfortunate part is our present central government has never given due importance to the health structure, to the healthcare delivery system. That's why they allowed only less than 2 minutes time in a 2.5 hours budgetary discussion. And till date, in a country of having a population more than 130 crores, the budgetary allocation is 1.2%. And that too, during the COVID pandemic, they hardly cared about the common health of the common public. And that's why, despite having the first case on 13th January, they continued everything till mid of March, just to invite Donald Trump and just to do the horse trading for the Madhya Pradesh government. Everything they do within political intention. On the contrary,
Dr.
it's only
Shantanu,
West Bengal.
a specific
It's only
question
West
here
Bengal.
to
Let
you,
me
which
come to
you
my
must
point,
answer.
madam. Let me
How
come
is it possible
let
for
me
Mamata
come
to
to my
take
point.
credit for the vaccines that's being dispersed
No
by the
question,
central
no
agencies?
question of taking credit. It's only West Bengal where 100% free health delivery system is available. It's only in West Bengal, and it's only Mamata Banerjee who has declared that each and every citizen should be vaccinated. Nothing wrong in it. And let me
So
tell
you're
you the
basically
fact,
indirectly
it will
saying
be- it will
if
be
the
done- it will
state
be
has
done
to
step
pay
by
for
step.
the
No.
vaccines,
Madam,
the state
madam,
will
it
pay
will be
on
done.
behalf of the population. You're indirectly
It will be
saying
done- it
if
will be
eventually
done- it
vaccines
will
are
be
not
done
made free,
maintaining the protocol. It will be done maintaining the protocol step by step. Phase 1, frontline workers. Phase 2, police and other officials.
but that's
Phase 3,
understood.
revenue
Frontline
officers.
healthcare workers are going to be
Everything
receiving the
will be
vaccine
done
for
maintaining
free.
protocol, and our state government will vaccinate each citizen. And let me tell you the fact: the government of India, what they owe to our state government, they should clear the dues, and our government is ready with all possible setups
Dr.
to
Shantanu,
provide the
so basically
vaccination
you're
to each
trying
and
to
every
say
citizen.
even if the vaccines are not free, the state government of West Bengal, the Mamata government will pay for those vaccines on behalf of the public and make sure it reaches them for free.
Before that, you need to know the procedure. The vaccine is provided by the central. No, nothing wrong in it. And our government, if they give requisition step by step, and if they collect the requisite number of vaccines from the center, the amount for the same should be adjusted from the amount which the central government owes to our state government. But unfortunately, the central is always having the stepmotherly attitude. So far, the Bengal is concerned in their mind.
So you're saying
That's
that
why
you
when
will
Mamata Banerjee
pay
has come
for
out
the
with
larger
proposal,
public and the
they have
larger
started
interest.
objecting.
You will pay for it, but weren't you the same people who condemned the Modi government who did the same in Bihar when Bihar was poll bound? They promised free vaccines and there was a huge uproar among the opposition parties, and rightly so. Maybe at that point it didn't come out too well. This was politicking that was going around a life-saving drug. But Mamata Banerjee was one of the first to condemn it. You're using the same template now in West Bengal. Dr. Sen.
Yes, please.
I said you were one of the first to condemn the BJP promising free vaccine in Bihar. What changed now ahead of polls in West Bengal?
Because we had some very bitter experience. Because Narendra Modi is making a statement, and the statement being made by our honorable finance minister, there is a huge gap. The statement that is being made by our Prime Minister before Bihar election and the statement that is being made by Balaram Bhargavji of Mr. ICMR, there is a huge gap. Before Bihar election, Modi ji is saying every person is going to be vaccinated. On the very next day, Balaram Bhargavji is saying no such statement has been made by any of our government officials.
So
Nirmala
basically you're
Sitharaman
saying the BJP is going back on its word of a free vaccine.
Here in case of West Bengal, this is the horse's mouth's word.
Let Priyanka Tribhuwal take that.
It will be carried away.
Priyanka, what's your grouse about West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee promising free vaccine for all in the state of West Bengal?
Good evening, Nabila. First of all, I rebuke the statements and the fake claims made by Mamata Banerjee regarding the vaccine, whatever she has said. I heard the questions which you just put up before Mr. Sen, and none of his answers are satisfactory. Now, apart from that, when I am speaking about the statements made by Mamata Banerjee, there are certain figures I would like to speak about, as Mr. Sen was discussing some figures. You see, it is Amit Mitra, the finance minister, who gave the budget of West Bengal, where in the health allocation, it was 5.4 of the entire expenditure. Now, the entire expenditure of the state is 2,55,677 crore. And the 5.4, which is allocated to the health sector, is 13,806 crore. Now, if we assume that the vaccine is 400 rupees, say if the cost of the vaccine is 400 into 10 crore people, which is more than 4,000 crore. Now, apart from that, just a few days back, Mamata Banerjee said that they are giving 5 lakhs insurance to each and everyone on the Swasthya Sathi card scheme, which they had introduced. Now, the budget of that, if you calculate, crosses 50 lakh thousand crores. Now tell me, factually, is it possible for West Bengal to take care of the expenditure of the vaccine for all? So whatever they are talking is in air.
That-
Mamata
but
Banerjee is simply
Priyanka-
juggling with the emotions of people of West Bengal.
Now
that
you
too
tell
in
me,
the air.
the BJP
And on
had
ground
promised
reality,
free
it is zero.
vaccines for all in Bihar. Will they meet that promise, and will free vaccines simultaneously be given to entire population in the country? There isn't much clarity on that as yet. On first account, the central leader said free vaccine for all. Well, Bihar was poll bound, and then there was one backtrack statement by Dr. Harshvardhan who said frontline workers and healthcare workers will get it for free. So there isn't a real concrete statement on whether the vaccine is free or
the
not free.
Vaccine is a complete central government prerogative, and central government will decide how and when and with whom the priorities will be given, how the scheme will be implemented. Since it is under the control of central government, they will decide it best, and the state government has no role to play in this. How can Mamata Banerjee
So
even
the
say that
promise
she
made
will?
by the BJP in Bihar will not be universally applicable to all states in India.
See, again, I am saying that it is the prerogative of the central government to decide whatever
That's
promises
precisely
they
what
have
I'm
made on
saying,
their
that one
manifesto
promise
in
made to
Bihar.
one state which was poll bound is not the same that is going to be given the same leeway. In fact, 6 states in India are currently asking the centre, even BJP ruled states are requesting the centre to make vaccination completely free.
The promises made by the leaders in Bihar, for Bihar, they are answerable. And if we speak about West Bengal, and here when Mamata Banerjee has opened her mouth, she should be answerable to the people. That how will she provide this vaccine?
In Bihar, Ms. Priyanka, Prime Minister Modi also addressed the vaccination drive and free vaccines. But let me cut across to Dr. Sen. You wanted to make a point there. Is even West Bengal able to bear that kind of burden to offer free vaccination and the costs that will be attached to it? And when the centre is initiating that drive to take credit for it,
First of all, my learned participant has made it clear once again that everything is going to be decided by central government. There is absolutely centralization, though health is a state chapter, number one. Number two, I think either she couldn't get me or she didn't try to get me because she doesn't know the actual process. Yes, of course, the vaccines are provided by central. But what I said, if one state decides to vaccinate each and every one of that particular state, that state has got every right. They will take the vaccine from the central, and that amount will be adjusted from the amount which that central owes to that particular state. The problem with
so
Bengal
how can
is
the state say that they are giving free vaccines? That means the center will give free vaccines, not the state.
Pay back the money what they owe to our state of Bengal. If they pay back the money what they owe, what they are supposed to give to Bengal, it will be very easy for our chief minister, and she is the only lady who keeps promises. She is not like our honorable prime minister.
Before asking for money,
gimmicks and doing false promises and making false promises. She is the only lady, she knows how to keep the words. That's why she is the only lady who started giving free health service to all. That's why she is the only lady who has started Shastro Shati project for 10 crores of West Bengal people. And I let me tell you, if our government of India becomes little bit kind enough, without doing any politics, without having any stepmotherly attitude in its mind, if they extend their cooperation, it's a legitimate claim. It's the money of people of Bengal, what they are enjoying. What they have taken from Bengal. It is the money of Bengal, it is the right of the people of Bengal. What they are not giving back to Bengal. Ask them to give back the money to the Bengal state. And I tell you, our government, our chief minister will be able 100% to vaccinate gradually each and every citizen.
All right, so that's a promise coming in from the Mamata Banerjee government, the TMC leader.
For her political gains and ego, she can back out any time. You cannot depend on the statement of the chief minister. She can back out any time. Because you remember when Ayushman Yojana...
So is the BJP also promising free vaccine to people of West Bengal?
Then she backed out. She can back out any time.
So then if Mamata, according to you, might back off, is the BJP promising free vaccines for people in West Bengal as well, Priyanka?
BJP has already promised that. BJP has already promised that in Bihar. BJP will promise that to all the states possible because lives of people means a lot to us. But Mamata Banerjee, without having any stand, without having any control, has just said this for
it has become clear before the eyes of the people of the country.
Banerjee has done this for political propaganda because she herself said when this was announced in Bihar, what did she say? And what is she doing? Now you see,
Priyanka, but that's precisely that's exactly the criticism against the BJP government as well. The same has been promised in Bihar and West Bengal. You're saying even West Bengal, you'll have promised the people ahead of assembly polls. What about the other states in the country? Why is there no promise by the central government, a categoric statement that says yes, free vaccination to all? That statement hasn't yet come. Initially it was made, now it seems like you all are backtracked. So there is no clarity, there's a lot of ambiguity on whether every individual citizen of India will get the vaccination for free. Why only people in poll-bound states get it for free?
This is the prerogative of the central government, and the central government has already issued certain statements where they have said that how are they planning to implement the same. Now we cannot question the central government. They will declare things as and when they have decided to. See now, Mamata Banerjee, she's so concerned about the people of Bengal. Now let me tell you, she is an expert in diluting the guidelines set up by the MHA by declaring and asking that theatres should be opened with 100% vacancy. And now she speaks about giving vaccination where everyone knows that...
Don't try to teach Madam Mamata Banerjee regarding these guidelines.
Not that she has the
Your central government didn't follow a single guideline even.
Nor are things in her
COVID was a
control. But
multi-big
she's
disease.
talking big. She's nothing but
They
a
didn't
laughing
allow any
pot.
state government to function
She is
individually.
nothing but a laughing pot. She
Everywhere they
refuses
are
to
encroaching
implement
upon
the
the rights
central
of
schemes in
individual
West
states. They
Bengal.
hardly care
She
of the federal
refuses to
structure.
implement the health schemes in West Bengal. She refuses to implement the schemes for farmers in West Bengal. And now she speaks of vaccination. So the people of West Bengal understand
don't intermingle
her
issues.
very, very well.
Dr.
Don't
Sen, but
intermingle
this
issues.
is a
Just
valid
guide your
point
central
considering
government
that
to
the
be
schemes
rational,
rolled out by the centre
to
has
give
still not
little
reached
value to
those
the federal
deserving farmers
structure.
under PM Kisan Yojana. Now you have another promise made by Mamata Banerjee on free vaccines again, which is an initiative by the centre. Don't you think this kind of double standard, Mamata Banerjee making a promise, well, the initiative has been started by the centre, she taking credit for it, will somehow reflect on her voters? Do you think that they will not look through this? They won't see past this?
There is no question of taking credit. There will be no second opinion. When what Mr. Modi says, Nirmala Sitaramaiah says something else. What Mr. Modi says, Balaram Bhargava said something else. But in our state of West Bengal, what Madam Mamata Banerjee says, that is the final word. And I tell you, once she has said, she will be doing the same. Unlike Narendra Modi ji, who says something else before Bihar election, and Balaram Bhargava contradicts. Narendra Modi says something else, Nirmala Sitaramaiah contradicts. Here in case of West Bengal, no such contradiction.
So basically, Dr. Shantanu, you're okay now. Dr. Shantanu, the TMC is now okay to play vaccine politics.
This is the same Mamata Banerjee who questioned the independence of our country.
As West Bengal enters polls, the TMC has now changed its mind and thinks it's okay to play vaccine politics. Just like what the BJP did. Now even TMC gets into the same line. Y'all are okay with it. Is that not double standards? Dr. Sen, a strategy of the TMC is not seen on ground. What we see mostly is basically tit for tat. If the BJP is campaigning in one area, that's the same area that Mamata Banerjee goes and campaigns. If the BJP is promising one initiative or one program for the benefit of people, Mamata Banerjee promises the same benefit for those people. Why is there no original exclusive campaign strategy for the TMC? Why is it only tit for tat? Why are you copying what the BJP is doing?
It is just the reverse. Mamata Banerjee is not following anyone. Rather, centre is following Mamata Banerjee several projects. Let me tell you, Mamata Banerjee started Kanyastree first, and then the super flop project of Beti Padhao came in. Mamata Banerjee started Sastho Shakti in 2016. Then the super flop Ayushman.
The health cards are not acceptable in the hospitals. No hospitals are taking the health cards.
Mamata Banerjee is being followed by the rest of the country and in the central government. Mamata Banerjee doesn't follow anyone because in each and every project, she is the pioneer and Bengal shows the path to the rest of the country as it used to show before also.
That she's going to win. We are not looking at any campaign rallies that's being carried out. You're saying that people have enough faith that they'll vote irrespective of whether she campaigns or not. There's absolutely no initiative from the TMC we see as yet. It's only counter-attack. Whatever the BJP does, you're attacking counter.
Mamata Banerjee believes in development. That's why she has done so much development work in last 10 years. When others are doing dirty politics, Mamata Banerjee Mamata Banerjee's Dware Sarkar has reached 2 crores of people in last few days. That is the special.
And the papers are found.
So
the papers are found thrown on roads and canals.
We don't believe on tourist gang. We don't need to bring leaders and tourist gangs from outside. You
need to bring poll strategists, a paid poll strategist.
Well-settled West Bengal. People of Bengal have enough faith on Mamata Banerjee, and that will be shown, that will be proved in the coming election once again.
Nabila, they don't need outsiders. That is why they bring a poll strategist, a paid poll strategist called Prashant Kishore, who's an outsider. They bring somebody like Shah Rukh Khan to campaign for them, who is an outsider. Now, apart from that, let me also tell you that this is the same Mamata Banerjee who questioned the army of our country, who questioned the army of our country in Balakot. This is the same Mamata Banerjee who questioned the scientists of our country when the vaccine wasn't made. And now this is the same Mamata Banerjee who is ready and says that she will give the vaccine to everyone for free. You do not have the budget. What are you speaking? What are you speaking? You do not have the budget.
But then in that case, Priyanka, the centre might have the budget. Do you think the centre has the budget to give out free vaccines? Several states are still waiting for their GST returns.
And if you see their budget,
the government says it's cash strapped. The central government says it's cash strapped. You all are short on funds yourselves, but you all are promising for free vaccines for Bihar and in West Bengal now. Can one trust the BJP too?
Of course. See, BJP, whatever we have said, we have done. When nobody in the opposition like Akhilesh Yadav, be it Mamata Banerjee, when they were ready to trust or show any kind of trust on the scientists of our country, it is the BJP, it is the central government who showed the trust and stood behind them. And today the vaccine is available into the market.
BJP is nothing but the garbage of lies.
Akhilesh Yadav was raising fingers.
And BJP leaders are master in spreading fake news. BJP is nothing but a garbage of lies.
You have always shown no respect for the army, no respect for the doctors, no respect for the citizens of our country. And today you talk big. See, people of Bengal have really understood and they have introspected themselves so well that this time they will uproot the TMC, and that is the fear. That is because of the fear of her chair. Now Mamata Banerjee is blabbering and saying anything and everything which she doesn't mean.
Yes, get ready to get thrown away by the people of Bengal in the coming months. We'll see you
there.
Let's
see, sir. Let's see. We are standing. We don't have a chair. You all are sitting on a chair. So whose chair will be uprooted? We will see it soon.
Get ready to get thrown away by the people of Bengal.
It's tragic, but it's indeed tragic that political parties are trying to gain brownie points. Don't you think that we've got to rise above this and act efficiently to ensure that vaccination reaches all, whether free or not? Every single person must get vaccinated. Frontline and healthcare workers, it is for free any which ways. But over that, if you're trying to gain political brownie points over this, which is the worst pandemic that the world has witnessed in a century, we've lost lakhs of lives to it. Don't you think it's about time for us to rise above politics? Priyanka?
Definitely it is, Nabila. And under the leadership of Narendra Bhai Modi ji, we have seen that our country is walking towards development. It is not just our country, but the other countries are looking forward to India, the way India is developing. See, it is only in these 10 years that there is a rise in the way people of India are being looked upon. That was not there when Congress was there, or be it any other government. So we are walking towards development and improvement, and our country is getting a good name, and we should be proud of that. Whatever the central government will decide will be for the betterment of each and everyone from our country.
All that said and done, but we're still waiting for a concrete statement on whether all of us, every common man gets the vaccine for free. That's a statement which is still ambiguous. There hasn't been a concrete statement on that. We're still awaiting that from the centre. We do know now from you that West Bengal has been promised free vaccines. Bihar has been promised free vaccines. Why only poll-bound states? Now TMC jumps into the same bandwagon. Dr. Sen, a final word. You promised to all people of West Bengal that vaccines will be free, irrespective of whether the government has to pay for it or not. You will ensure people get it for free. That's a promise you make, right?
Mamata Banerjee is the only lady who assures free health service to all, and Mamata Banerjee is the only lady who has taken this lead role, and she has urged upon the country that each and every citizen of the country should be vaccinated free of cost. And central government should also take a role.
All right.
They
So we've
also
taken a
should play
word
an
from
important
you
role, they
and from
should not
Mamata
have any
Banerjee herself, who
state-motherly
says
attitude against
free vaccine for all in West Bengal. We're hoping to hear from the centre whether it is free vaccine for all in the country too. Why only poll-bound states? Thank you very much, our guest, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.